Hey, what are you doing? Oh, what a blessing it must be to be so horribly ignorant. What are you thinking? Using this stove. Wow. You silly little rock. One wrong move and you could have burned down the whole house. Stovetops are too dangerous for children with underdeveloped motor skills. What you need to boil that water is a microwave. What is a microwave, you ask? Well, let me show you. A microwave is an electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to electromagnetic radiation in the microwave frequency range. This induces polar molecules in the food to rotate and produce thermal energy in a process known as dielectric heating. So we'll just put your little Mackie in here, press the buttons, and the radiation does the rest. See? Much safer and faster. What a waste of time. The oven. Oh, what a dated piece of technology. Just sitting there, filled to the brim with natural gas. A ticking time bomb waiting to... You can say that again.